Hi, I'm that Astro chap, and this is my 60-second tutorial on how to use the SCNR tool. The SCNR tool is found under all processes, and if you scroll towards the bottom, you'll find SCNR. This brings up a simple panel which has a few settings that you can control, the main one being the amount. Using the default value of 1, we can apply it to the image and see the results. There's a significant improvement, and the green hue that was applied has been removed. If we zoom out, we can see this is more prominent across the entire image when we look at the before and after. If you don't want to go quite as far with the adjustment, then you can always tone down the amount and reapply it. As you can see, the change here is very subtle, particularly for this image, so it's not really that much different versus the default. Another handy tip is you can invert the image and run the SCNR process, and that can render some pretty good results as well. That's SCNR in 60 seconds.